Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Samsung keyboard settings. This puts you exactly where themes live. If you're in an app, tap a text field, then tap the keyboard gear or long press the comma key to reveal settings. Once done, go to General Management and select Samsung Keyboard, because only the active keyboard shows theme options. Make sure Samsung Keyboard is set as default so changes apply system-wide. Otherwise, you'll be editing a keyboard that never appears when you type. Next, tap Keyboard Theme to open the theme chooser. This is where you pick style and contrast. You'll see a gallery of installed themes plus suggested ones. Tap any to preview how keys, borders, and text contrast will look while typing. If you need more options, use the link to Galaxy Themes to download new packs. As you preview, pay attention to contrast for readability and key size for comfort. These choices directly affect speed and error rate when you type. Finally, tap Apply to activate the theme. You should see the change instantly in any text field. If the new theme doesn't appear, close the app and reopen it, or force stop the keyboard via settings to reload resources. Make sure system themes aren't overriding keyboard appearance. If problems persist, clear the Samsung keyboard cache or, as a last resort, switch the default keyboard and switch back. This forces a full refresh and usually resolves stubborn theme issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.